669.
You.
Yeah. Maintenance. Maintenance. Hello. Maintenance. Maintenance. Shower holder broken.
Pipe shower. The guys tell me the pipe shower is not good.
What is pipe? Pipe is this.
No. He tell me this one. How you call this one? He tell me pipe. So I'm telling the same.
That is hose.
Ah, hose.
Of course, hose. This one.
He tell me the pipe. So I tell the pipe.
You need to inspect. You need to
What is this hose?
hose of course.
Oh, maybe next time.
Yeah, you need to because the guests not don't know.
Oh.
We'll fix it. Tools.
Ah, tools.
I want tools.
What do you do? Video?
Video.
You need to prove.
Huh?
You need to prove.
No, just
For security reason.
no, for entertainment. Maybe my colleague will new friend. He will know what I'm doing
Okay.
for new camera. Change this one. Still good. So they can work here. They
You're
know.
going home? Soon?
Soon.
Ah, very nice, huh?
You?
Me? Still plenty.
Plenty things to do.
Till October.
October?
Yeah, till October. September, October, 21 October. No good, huh?
It's good.
No,
Long time.
long time, too much long time.
Okay, guess we're happy, huh?
Yeah, guys will happy. Tell me what
Throw,
is this? This is,
throw this one.
this is
Please throw.
black.
Yeah, throw this one.
What happened? I say, okay, no problem.
Still good.
No, he don't like. See,
Ah.
he think he already broken. That's why.